I use my own song as a sample to avoid copyright claims. Additionally, this song is filled with auto-tune, which typically causes instrumental and vocal separation applications to struggle with clean separation. However, with this application, we will see how clear the results are. See, it's very clean, right? And this is an offline application, by the way. Let's get straight to it. The application is called Ultimate Vocal Remover. I will put the link in the description. The download process is very simple. Open the official link, click download, and we will be directed to GitHub. Then select download from the main link. Note that the installation size is 1.6 GB, and after installation, the application will be 5.5 GB. The reason for the large size is that this application operates using local data, allowing it to run without the internet. Even so, we have already seen that the results are very good. Now, to operate it, we just need to open the application. The splash screen might take a little while because it loads a lot of data. Then leave the settings at default, but don't forget to choose whether you want to just the instrumentals or just the vocals. The application can only process one at a time. If supported, you can also use a GPU for faster processing. Since the process can take a while, you can check the 30 seconds preview mode to ensure the results will be good without wasting time. Then we select the input file and choose the output file directory. We wait until the process is complete. Once finished, we open the destination folder and enjoy. What are your thoughts about it all? I am Ferry Rust. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the line.